Hey everyone, this is Neha Jani and today's video is on business buzzwords. So quite often we are in conversation with friends, colleagues, bosses and they blurt out these crazy jargon like words and we all go in a tizzy not knowing what to say but inquisitive to learn. So this video is a compilation of some must-know business buzzwords which come from millennial marketing, sales, service and even social media. So let's get started. Number 1, freemium. So this is a business strategy where the basic version of the product is given for free in expectation that the consumers will pay for an upgraded version. So you see, most of my videos have this made with KineMaster thing given on the top right hand side, which means I'm using a freemium version. But this is not just for fun for consumers, but it is a marketing goal which has the ability to grow the business at a rapid fire pace through advocacy. So next time when you see the internet flooded with free online games, you know that that is a freemium where you have to pay for any add-ons that you want. Number 2, Tiger Teams. So a Tiger team is a cross-functional specialized team which is brought together to investigate or solve a specific problem. For example, SpaceX Tiger team has put together the world's first commercial spacecraft that was zoomed into space with the NASA astronauts. Number 3 is brick and mortar. So it simply means the physical presence of a business or an organization. So brick and mortar business has always been there since ages, and it is just opposite to the e-commerce business that happens online. So recently it was in the news that the famous clothing chain Zara plans to shut down its 1200 brick and mortar stores in the recent pandemic situation, and it wants to push its online business. So brick and mortar business is just opposite to the online e-commerce business. Number 4 is eat your own cooking or eat your own dog food. I prefer using eat your own cooking because dog food kind of has a negative connotation. So let's say eat your own cooking. It simply means the internal use of company's own goods and services before it sells it out to the public. The idea is simple here, that who would like to eat in a restaurant where the chefs choose to dine elsewhere? So if a fund management company is asking its managers to eat their own cooking, it simply is asking its managers to buy and invest in the company's product. Because if the managers do not believe in what they're selling, how can they expect the public to buy it? Number 5 is snackable content, and it is one of my favorites too. So it is short, quick and easy, bite-sized content which is easy to digest and won't leave the viewers bloated the next morning. So next time when your marketing professor asks you to create a snackable advertising video, he simply means to keep it simple, easy to scan and something that tickles the taste buds of the viewers and grabs the attention. So here I've come to the end of my video. I hope it was tasty and snackable, and please like, share and subscribe if it was a good appetizer to your inquisitive minds. Bye bye.